Today was very exciting because it's the first lesson meeting everybody from the senior groups. And they're all excited to look at the harp, but also a little bit apprehensive because they said so many strings. Can we really play the harp?
可是会难学吗？因为我们都不会看乐谱。不能，不要想难，要想好玩。Okay.
Most of the senior citizens never dreamt they could ever touch the harp or even play the harp. Because it's such a rare instrument, so this is something of a delight for them.
因为我很喜欢学新的东西，因为没有玩过嘛，所以很难得你能够摸到这个竖琴嘛。
The harp is a very special instrument. We are hugging the harp. All this vibration is vibrating in our body.
I have never had the opportunity to see how the harp looks like, so I really value the opportunity being given to me.
Most of the participants are in their 60s, and the oldest is 74 years old.
我13岁做工，家庭上也比较困难，连读书都会有一些问题了，所以就没有这种机会接触到音乐方面。有这种机会学到这个竖琴，心灵上真的另一种享受，可以讲另一种享受。
Because music is a very good form of, I should say, physiotherapy for the mind, for your finger and your hearing.
我们的老师是一个很好的老师，他知道怎么教，耐心，然后还有就是很会安排那个时间。
I've been teaching for more than 15 years, and most of my students are young children. However, there was once I was in Australia and I saw this lady in her 80s. She came to me for a master class in her wheeler. But she sat down and played such beautiful music, and that really inspired me to start this project. The National Arts Council has a yearly civil arts project, so I approached them with the idea, and here we are today.
竖琴很有祥和的那种，这样很柔和，很清幽，感觉是必须要自己亲身体验才能感觉得到。
They are very active and very positive about learning new things, even at their age, and I find that very endearing.
To me, it's a struggle, honestly. My musical background is limited, but I don't give up. I keep trying. Every night I train, I practice myself. To me, learning is an experience. We should not give up learning.
做了很多 project，OK， 这是我最好玩的 project， 最高兴也觉得很感动的 project。谢谢你们。
我们有这个机会，也是因为 NAC 啊，真的是对我们这个乐龄人士是一种很好的启发啦。
谢谢，真的是你们让我们有这个机会来学习哈，而且是老师跟助教们的细心教导。
We are going to do a professional recording of what we have learned, and I think it's very exciting. They have managed to master the techniques that I wanted to teach them. Most importantly, some of them were afraid to memorize the music, which I encouraged them to, and I think all of them managed to, so that is really a wonderful thing.